How's it going? It's Seb.Brantigan, the Britpreneur, and if you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a ClickFunnels membership site overview. Either you are looking to ClickFunnels as a membership site platform, or you already have ClickFunnels and you just want a little bit of guidance as to how to really navigate the membership site feature within ClickFunnels. Well, if either of those two are correct, you're definitely in the right place, and that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through inside this video. So you can see here, this is my back office of ClickFunnels, and this is what you see when you log in. If you're not already a member, you can actually get 2 weeks for free, and there's a link around this video where you can access that trial. So I'm going to walk you through now one of the membership sites that I've personally set up within ClickFunnels. So let's just have a browse and let's go and locate that. Okay. It's running a little bit slow because I'm screen recording here. Usually a little bit faster without that. And so there's all sorts of different funnels here. You can obviously use ClickFunnels as a funnel builder, but it does also double up as a membership website. So let's jump over to here. So here's one of the membership sites that I've set up using ClickFunnels, and it's really easy to do. They have a whole template that you can literally just apply, and sets the whole thing up for you, and all you have to do is just add the content. So here's an example of a membership site that I have here. So the page I'm just about to open is a page where once someone purchases or has access to the membership site, they get their own login. So the page actually looks like this here. I've already logged in, so I think that's why it's redirected me back to the page after that. But basically what people will get is they'll get their own personal login, which is really cool. It makes them feel, privileged, special, and it's just a great thing to be able to offer when someone buys a product, or maybe you want to do it for free as a way of, indoctrinating people into whatever it is that you're selling. So having a membership website is obviously very important, but being able to offer it so they have their own unique login definitely makes them feel very special. So there's basically 2 options to do that. So I'll come back to how that works in just a second. What I'm going to do now is just jump over to the inside of a membership site so you can actually see how everything works. So this is a ClickFunnels membership site that is built through the platform, which is a product that I did with one of my business partners, which is Phil, and he's there in the video. And you can do it, so you can customize pretty much all of the stuff here. You can customize the logo. We can see we've added our own here. We've added different links here as well. The logout I think was already there. We've added buttons, all kinds of things. So there's little sections here, and then there's subsections, which again you can add and edit all of this stuff. And if we click over here to Module 1 Mindset, then you'll be able to see all of these different videos here that we've added. Okay, we'll just put them on YouTube just for now. You can put them on any platform. You need to have the content ready to build out a ClickFunnels membership website. So make sure you have that before you are able to do a membership site. And then you can see here we've been able to add as many modules as we want to. So as you can see, setting up your Facebook for success, posting for purpose. These are some videos that I did. So you can add text here, you can add links, images, videos, all kinds of different things. You can get quite advanced with this stuff if you really want to. So I'm just going to exit out of that. You can also do it so people can search for something in the course as well. It is a great way to have people to see what you have to offer by creating a membership website in ClickFunnels. It's just the easiest software that I know to do it, because it literally takes you 5 minutes. So all we do to get this stuff up is go to Add Step, and then we just type in test and CTC test, ClickFunnels step, and then what we do once we have that is we then go to when it's going to load, that is. And you can see here, its final step was successfully created. And then there's membership, and then there's two two different options, and you need both of them in order to be able to actually create a functioning ClickFunnels membership site. So you need member access, which is where they get their login, and then membership area. So I've already shown you membership access. You don't have to do a lot with that, but what you do is do what I've just done here and add that funnel step. As you can see, I've already done it here already, but this is what you would do as a whole fresh thing or a fresh new thing. Membership access, and then do the exact same thing one more time, but then click membership area. And that will give you these two options that you see here. So I'm going to just jump over to the content area here and just show you what you can actually customize. So this is the login link, which is the first link they get to create their account. And then there is a sign up link, which just sends them directly to, well, it says sign up URL, but it's actually just a link straight to the membership site without having to get them to create an account or anything. So obviously if you know someone who just wants to access the content, maybe they're an existing client, they've already paid, and you don't want to have them to log in, just send them the sign up link and they can just go direct to the product or direct to the membership site. So you can see here that here's how we've set everything up. There's an introduction, module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what you can do is, what I like to do is, let's just open this up so you can get an idea of what we're doing here. Okay. Because what you can do is get your own template, how you like it, and then duplicate it to loads of different steps. Okay, so you don't have to recreate a new thing every time for each module. You can save yourself a lot of time by just doing something like this here. Okay, and then all you do is, let's say you want to add some text here, go to the little plus button, and then you can do headline, an image, a text block, divider, or a button. I like to keep things simple. So this is a link to our private group, so you can just do, you can edit all the stuff, go to settings, and I recommend just spending a few hours just having a play around, creating a ClickFunnels membership site, just so you get an idea of exactly how it works. So basically it will come with the title and this text here as standard, and all you would do is just then go down here, and if there's nothing here, just press plus in the little orange bit, and then do image or whatever you wanted to do. So just have a play and just it depends what you want to add, whether it's videos, images, text. You can obviously customize it to how you want it. And then let's say we're done with that. We will then just click the duplicate lesson button, and then it's just duplicated it. We can then move this around to different modules if we want. We just click the edit button, and then we can do module 1, module 2, module 3, and these are separate things you have to create, and then we can rename it, and you can also do a delay. So rather than having all the content there as soon as they create their account and log in, you can do it so certain videos and certain modules are delayed by, let's say, 7 days. So they have to wait 7 days from signing up to be able to access certain content. So if you don't want people to get overwhelmed and you have a lot of content, a lot of videos in your membership site, this is probably a really good option. But for now, we're not going to bother. I'm just going to delete that. But you can reorder all this stuff here, move things about. If you want this to go into a different module, just hit the edit button, and then you can obviously move it as you see fit. So once you get the hang of it, it'll be really easy to just have a play with it and get familiar with it. It took me about I'd say about 10-15 minutes of just literally playing around and just focusing on creating a ClickFunnels membership site. I've already built some funnels in the past, but I honestly think if you've never done anything like this before, it might take you half an hour to 45 minutes to just figure out this little bit here. But that means you can create as many ClickFunnels membership sites as you want. And it's all included in the software. It's literally $97 a month, so it's very, very cheap and affordable. And it's just what I consider the best software out there for creating funnels and membership sites. I'm sure there's other softwares out there as well, so feel free to have a look and research, but I think it's the best one that I've ever personally tried, and I've tried quite a few of them. So I think it's the best personally. So anyway, at the bottom here, this is the final step. We can do add a new lesson section, which is basically what these grey bits are. So let's do that. and then we can just type in whatever we want. And then we can also restrict access to people who have bought certain products. So these are all the products that I sell. So you can, if you want, only restrict it to people who have bought a certain product. That's fairly self-explanatory. Obviously, you have to add products to make that relevant and make that functioning. But that's pretty much it. You know, without really overwhelming you too much, that's how you create and edit a membership site. So it's going to make more sense if you rewatch this video a couple of times. And that's pretty much it. So if you've got any questions about building a membership site, feel free to let me know. If you want a copy of this funnel, because I can actually send copies of this funnel, drop me a message. I'll be more than happy to give you access as well. I won't be able to do it for free, but I won't charge you a fortune. So if you just want this template, and I can just literally give you that funnel, just drop me a message on Facebook or message me on YouTube or however you want to do it, and I can just give you a link to duplicate this ClickFunnels membership site into your ClickFunnels account. Obviously, you need to have an account first. So if you don't have one, go to the YouTube subscription below. In this video, you can sign up for an account for free for 2 weeks. So that's basically it. Any questions, just give me a like, comment, or share if you got some value from this video. Leave your feedback. If this video was a bit hard to follow, just rewatch it a couple of times, and you'll definitely get the hang of creating a ClickFunnels membership site. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you stopping by. It's been Seb.Brantigan, and we'll see you on the next video.